Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Hello Watch and getting an account ready because the device links to cloud settings. First, charge to at least 20% and turn it on, then enable Bluetooth on your phone. Once done, install the Hello Watch app and sign in so your preferences sync. Now open the app and select Add Device. Put the watch into pairing mode using its menu. This step establishes the secure link you need before configuring features. Once paired, proceed through the in-app setup wizard to set language, time zone, and measurement units because accurate data depends on them. Make sure to grant permissions for location, notifications, and health data so alerts and fitness tracking work correctly. Next, check for firmware update. Install it immediately and keep the watch on the charger to prevent an interrupted update. While the update runs, you can choose watch faces and which apps to mirror. These preferences personalize daily use. Finish by customizing quick settings like brightness, do not disturb, and which notifications pass through, because reducing noise improves battery life. Then sync your account and test critical functions. Make a call, send a message, and record a brief walk to verify GPS and heart rate sensors. If something breaks, try the simple fix first. Restart both devices and repair. If that fails, a factory reset often clears persistent pairing errors, but back up any important data before you reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.